Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rebecca Austin, your Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. If you're here, I'm guessing you've got big dreams, a passion to help others, and a vision for your business. But maybe you're feeling stuck when it comes to selling your offers. Does the word sales make you cringe just a little? Does it bring up images of pushy tactics, insincere pitches, or feeling like you're convincing people to buy something they just don't need? Well, if that's you, I get it. Most online entrepreneurs feel the same way. But here's the thing. What if I told you that you don't have to be the salesman? That the secret to selling isn't about selling at all? Today, I want to share something that could transform how you see sales forever. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why you don't need to sell to succeed. Instead, you'll learn how to step into the role of the hero, someone who shows up with value, solutions, and the power to change lives. Oh, and before we dive in, I have something special for you. If you've ever felt like something's holding you back in your business, I invite you to take our short interactive quiz. It's designed to uncover what's keeping you stuck and show you exactly how to overcome it. You can find it in the link in the description below. Let's start with why so many of us dread selling. For most of us, the fear of being salesy is rooted in one thing, and that is the belief that selling is about us. That it's about pushing our agenda, asking for money, or trying to convince someone to do something they don't want to do. But here's the truth. Are you ready? Selling isn't about you, it's about them, the person on the other side of the conversation. When you focus on their needs, their desires, and the problems they are trying to solve, the selling becomes something entirely different. It becomes serving. And serving is never pushy, never manipulative. Serving is an act of generosity, of stepping into someone's world and saying, I see you, I hear you, and I can help. So how do you shift from salesman to hero? Well, it starts with, number one, understanding your value. You are not just offering a product or a program, you are offering a solution. You're offering a way out of their frustration, confusion, or pain. Think about your ideal client. What are they struggling with right now? What keeps them up at night? What dreams feel out of reach for them? Now imagine you have the key to unlock those dreams, the answer they've been searching for. That's what your coaching program or course or program or membership, that's what it represents. You're not selling, you're solving. When you embrace this mindset, you're no longer just an entrepreneur. You become the guide, the mentor, and the hero in their journey. But here's where it gets really powerful. People don't buy with their heads, they buy with their hearts. They buy because they feel seen, understood, and inspired. So your job isn't to list features or talk about what's included in your program. Your job is to show them the transformation they'll experience. Help them see it. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your ideal client. They've been searching for answers, feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure. And then they come across you. They hear your story, they see your passion, and for the first time, they feel a glimmer of hope. That's the power of emotional connection. When you can tap into what they're feeling and help them see what's possible, you're no longer selling, you are inspiring action. Now, let's bring this to life with a few practical tips. Number one, speak to their pain points. Use language that resonates with their struggles. Instead of saying, my course teaches time management, say, if you're tired of feeling like there's never enough time in the day, I'll show you how to take control of your schedule and finally breathe again. You see the difference? Two, show them the transformation. Speak to their pain points. Don't just tell them what your program does. Show them how their life will look after working with you. And here's the big one. Be confident in your value. Remember, you're not asking for money. You're offering a solution that's worth far more than the price tag. When you lead with service, confidence, and connection, you'll find that sales comes naturally. You're not convincing anyone. You're inviting them to take a step toward their own transformation. Now, if you're feeling stuck or unsure about where to start on this, especially on that confidence factor, I've got something just for you. And that is that quiz that I talked about at the beginning of the video. It's designed to help you uncover what's holding you back and give you actionable steps to overcome it. This quiz is quick, easy, and completely complimentary. You might just discover the breakthrough you've been waiting for. So click the link in the description to take that short quiz. I promise it'll be worth your time. So there you have it. You don't have to be salesy to succeed. When you step into the role of the hero, you'll attract clients who are excited to work with you. Not because you sold them, but because you served them. Now, I'm curious to know out of this video what you plan on implementing the most. So drop that in a comment below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. We're constantly adding extra tips and some amazing insights to help you in growing your business. And remember, the key to success is serving first. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.